We're EST Gear, and today we want to introduce you to our brand new multi-tool, the EST Shovel. The shovel is a lightweight, packable, ultra-capable 18-in-1 hardworking tool that's the perfect companion for any adventure. The EST Shovel comes with a compact carrying pouch that fits easily into any backpack. It is also easy to assemble, and its military-grade aluminum handle ensures that it won't weigh you down. We've added a durable foam-like grip that makes it fun and easy to work with. The shovel has a hardened high-carbon steel spade, so it is built to last, no matter how you use it. But it wasn't just built for adventure, because it comes with many practical and important life-saving tools. Keep it in your car or truck so that if disaster strikes, you're always ready to go. The shovel is adventure tested, from traditional camping to hiking to survival readiness. We know what it takes to make an adventure great, and tools are a big part of that. Which is why we included all of the essentials such as a shovel, knife, axe, compass, saw, fire starter, screwdriver, whistle, and more. We call it the world's most capable tool because the EST Shovel is built to do it all and help you to have fun while doing it. We've been making high-quality camping gear for years, but this is our first product that we're selling directly to consumers. We have everything ready to start mass production and will be able to ship by you, but we need to meet the volume and manufacturing requirements, which is why, if you back our campaign, you'll save 50% off the shovel for helping us to bring this project to life. We chose Indiegogo because we want to create a community of like-minded adventurers who love great tools. Now, all we need is you.